Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And in today's video, I will be just doing a simple flip through of this Happy Planner Seasonal Fall sticker book. I haven't had a fall Happy Planner book probably in a couple of years. Like, it's been a while. All of my sticker books are super old and I just use what I got, honestly. Sticker books are getting expensive, so I don't buy too many, but when I do, I try to buy the ones that's like under $10 or maybe $15 at the most. But usually these kind of sticker books are around, I think, $20 to $25, right? I happened to get them on sale at Michael's. So since I saw they was on sale for $10, I bought two. So in this video, I just wanted to do a simple flip through before I use this sticker book because y'all are going to see some spreads from me in this sticker book, and I'm so excited because I love fall stickers the most, and Happy Planner makes some really nice fall stickers. So I don't know if this is old or new. I know everybody keeps up with releases and stuff. I don't. I'm gonna be real, I don't. So I don't even know if this is old or new, but I wanted to show it because it's new to me. So once you open it up, oh nice, we're already starting off good. I haven't even gotten a chance to really look in these sticker books because I wanted to save it as a first impression in this video. And we're already starting off good. Hopefully y'all can see this. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this. Hopefully it's a little more centered. The gold is pretty as always. I guess this is more of a copper. Yeah, this is really nice. This is more of a copper color. And I love this one. Something about fall leaves, it just makes me so happy. And I don't get a lot of fall here, but it's still good to see some of the colors change. It's nothing like back home, but you know, I still make it cozy for myself. But I love the accent on this page. This might be one of my favorite pages. I already see stickers that I want to use, and I love these little embellishments. Okay, so we're sticking with the fall colors throughout the book, probably. Not sure. I know some people put out other kind of fall colors like purple and stuff. So we'll see as we go on the book, but we're continuing the fall colors. Really nice, look really good. The usual weather. We always get some of that. This is nice. I like this. I love the colors. Okay, now we're getting to the box stickers, and I will be using these in my micro. A lot of stickers I use are too big anyway, but I try to make it work, so I'm most definitely going to use these. You know, sometimes I forget navy blue can be a fall color. I usually reserve it as a winter color, but navy blue can totally be a fall color. It is a cozy color to me. So now you got your quotes here in the different colors. Super cute. Love these. I'm gonna be honest, I really don't use these a lot, but I'm gonna start because I love just adding words to my spreads. These are cute. I don't know if I'm gonna use these, but I want to. I don't use these a lot. Now this is what we're getting to. I love these. I love these so much. And I always say this, fall and summer literally share the same colors, but they're just a different tone, a different shade, if that makes sense. Ooh, I already have ideas. And of course, you know, you got the letters. They always have the letters. Ooh, these are like an orange foiled. Can y'all see that? That's nice. I like this. Okay, so it looks like it's only 2 pages of that, but you get quite a bit of letters. Oh, yay! I love the illustrative stickers. Those are my favorite too. These are cute. Whoever drew these, like the artist that put these together. I'm over here thinking of ideas as I flip. So if I get silent, that's just me thinking of ideas. I see so many spreads I could make with this sticker book. Y'all gonna see me use this a lot. You know, I like Halloween. But Halloween isn't really like big to me, but I like Halloween. I'm probably gonna do a few Halloween spreads, maybe a couple of Halloween cards, but this is all next month. You know, I'm thinking too soon, but I'm thinking about also making a couple of Halloween themed micros. So let me know down below, like, would you want to see any Halloween themed micros, especially in the shop? Like, I'm curious. This is really cute. I like this. And of course, you know, you got to have the usual orange, white, yellow. Y'all, I got this candy corn die cut. It's so cute. I can't wait. I want to put it on a micro, but I'm not even sure yet. Like, I've been playing around with decorating my micros. Oh, look at the ghosties. Ooh, they got a foiled one too. I love me some foiled. I just got a mink machine not too long ago, and I do plan to show it on this channel. Probably gonna do, I don't know, maybe a demo or something, but I don't know. I fell in love with foiled stickers a long time ago, and now that I can kind of make my own, it's a great feeling. Okay, I love washi stickers. Those are also my favorite kind of stickers. So box stickers, washi stickers, and then like quotes, especially with the clear background. Those are my favorite kind of stickers. I see so many spreads in mind. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is nice. Ooh. Y'all see that, right? I love this beautiful, it's like a copper orange kind of foiled color. This is really pretty. Okay, so now we got the box stickers for like, it's been a long time since I had like a true happy planner because I'm always franken planning and changing my planners up. I think these are like for calendars or whatever. So this is probably meant for a classic size or something. Usually most of their sticker books are, but I don't like the classic size. I barely use it. So what I like to do with these in my micro, because you know it has that little opening right there for, you know, your calendar numbers. I like to put like the sticker and then maybe put some kind of like another sticker to layer it, or like a quote or a word. So for example, like I could totally, if I want to, write on this sticker and I could put affirmation right there. Like they won't know, you know, but this is really cute. I like it. Okay, what's next? Ooh, look at this font. What a pretty font. Ooh, okay. So for these kind of stickers, I do cut them because I'm most likely going to use it in my micro. These are really big. So like I said, it's probably meant for a classic or a larger size one, but I'm probably going to cut them and fit it in my micro. This is really cute. I like this. I'm looking at this font right here. That's pretty. I don't even know what I'm doing for Thanksgiving. I don't even think I'll be able to even visit my family. Traveling is a lot, especially when you're pretty much the only party that do it. So hopefully I see them soon. Don't know. Because all this got me thinking about family, Thanksgiving, you know how that is. It's the colors. Like I can't stop looking at the colors and the fonts. I've always loved fall colors. Like I've even changed my wardrobe to a more neutral because I just love those colors. They go with everything. Look at the hedgehogs. That's so cute, the little hedgehogs. Aww. I already make gratitude stickers, but can never have too many. Ooh, okay, I like these. Wait, what are these? Oh, okay. You could put it like on the edge of your paper, like corners. You can kind of decorate. I had to make sure it wasn't like a full box. No, they're all separate. Wow. I already thought of a spread idea. See, I love stickers with the clear background. Looks so nice. And then we got some more leaves. And then we got more leaves, but outlined, which I really love the outline. I really do. Okay, this is a nice sticker book. I mean, usually, I love all kinds of stickers. I'm not really picky. You know, especially if someone took the time to draw it and put together. I love different styles, so this is really nice. All the hedgehogs. Oh. So now I gotta do something with the hedgehogs. This is cute. Okay, because you know you gotta have your tea or coffee, book. Yeah, I'm thinking of some cozy spread ideas. Not really a coffee drinker, but I could do something with tea or something. Okay, one of my favorite pages now. I've been looking for some quotes and I can fit this in my micro, and I will. And usually when a sticker is too big, yes, I will cut it, but I will divide it between the two pages. Usually it looks really good. You can still read it. I like the black because I'm definitely going to be doing some black and white spreads. And I'm loving this orange. And actually I have some foil stickers that I created that kind of match this. I think I have a foil that matches this color. So I can do a matching spread. I love the quotes. Like this one, I could definitely split it down the middle. So it'll be season's greeting across the middle of the page. Oh, this is nice. Okay. And the best part, y'all, I got it on sale. That's always the best part. This is a nice sticker book. I can't wait to use it because you guys will see me using this sticker book a lot. And I do have a couple of old fall sticker books that I also would like to use this month. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot of fall micro spreads from me. And let me know, like, do y'all like the micro planner content on my channel? Like, I know y'all do. But do you want to see more? Because I thought about increasing it, but I don't know. Because I just have so many ideas I want to show you guys. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this sticker book. I got it at Michael's. Hopefully it's still there, because at my Michael's I bought the last 2 that day, so they might have restocked. I don't know, but check. It might be there. Highly recommend it, and especially if it's on sale, go ahead and get it. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and stay tuned for future videos. Bye.